Woo! What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here, and today, we are going to be opening up the Crypto.com Visa card. So stay tuned. Oh, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV once again, and today, we are going to be opening up the Crypto.com credit card. We're going to be checking it out. We're going to see what it's all about. So, also, at the end of this video, stay tuned because I've got a special announcement. So, stay tuned for that. And so, let's go ahead and get right into this. So, all right. So, applied for the Crypto.com Visa card not too long ago. It came. It's been sitting in my desk for a while. Whoa! Check that out, guys. Super awesome. A little envelope here. That's pretty cool. So we're going to go ahead and open that right up. Oh, that's so lovely. Let's check this out. See what we got. It's pretty fancy. Ooh, oh, so I believe I am Emerald or Indigo or something like that user. Nothing special. Pretty cool little octagon here. Ooh, check that out. A little nice. You can't really focus that. I'll just go ahead and read it to you guys. It is my pleasure to present to you with your Crypto.com Visa card. You can activate and manage it through Crypto.com app. Our 24/7 in-app live chat support will be available. Let's see. Crypto.com Visa card is an exciting new step into a new world. Yo, what's going on, everybody? I don't know what the heck happened there, but in the middle of my video, the audio died. I'm trying out some new stuff with my audio. Got a mic here. Finally was able to set it up to my DSLR. I've had this forever, but I've been using the Rode mic. So bear with me. I'm just working some kinks out. So since the audio got cut out in the middle, I'm probably just going to do a quick voiceover. So yeah. I don't remember everything I said on the video, so just bear with me. You guys just got to watch that with my voiceover. And for those of you who are with me up until my 500 followers, we will be giving away a Google Nest Mini. So, do all that stuff. Subscribe. Do that stuff. Share the video. This will be yours. One of you, this will be yours. So, sorry about all that. Back to the video. It does come in handy. The first month without fees, that was amazing. That was amazing. So, not having to pay fees when you're buying a lot of crypto, you guys did awesome. So, back to your card. Crypto.com. Let's pull it out. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, that's cool. Is that supposed to be blasting off or something? I don't know. Oh, here it goes. We saw the back. Let's go ahead and see the front. That's all. That is awesome, guys. Look at that. That is really cool. So check it out. So the audio, this is where the audio messes up. So, oh man, there's too much echo right there. Wow. Look at this packaging. Wow. What else am I saying? This card is real cool.
Look at this blue card from Crypto.com. Hey guys, that's cool. Blue, shiny. Yeah. Alright, let's check out the app. Saying more things. Yep. Get to it. Get to it, John. Alright, here we go. So, Crypto.com Visa card. I tapped on the bottom right here. Yeah, I guess what I was saying is that at the bottom right where it says card, I don't believe it was there beforehand. So now it's there. And now I'm going to click on it so that we can activate my card. There's me saying more things and pointing my finger at you. More pointing. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and click on the little card thing over there. If he cuts his yapping and just gets to it. One thing I forgot to say in this video is that you can load your card through crypto. It's kind of weird. It's not really like a bank account type thing. It's like it's an account, but you have to load money into it through another credit card or your crypto account or your cash account. So what I'm doing right here is I'm actually activating the card because I just got it. So yeah, so all this stuff is blocked out. So my card is activated. Cool. Go ahead and set up my PIN and all that stuff. PIN is confirmed. Cool, so now it shows I can freeze my card here. I can look at my PIN if I ever forget that. I can enable international usage. And then it has the full card details down there. So, like I said earlier, I'm Midnight Blue. 1% back on card purchases. Monthly fee, no charge, no annual fee, no delivery fee. I think I do remember saying something about the the $200 withdrawal fee. So $200 a month with no fee, and anything after that you get a fee. But I mean, if you're using a card like this and you're investing and stuff like that, I mean, $200 withdrawals it's really small. So yeah, if you have another color, go ahead and comment down below and let me know what your withdrawal limit is without a fee. I seriously don't remember what I was talking about right here. I do everything kind of like on a whim. Scrolling down, nothing important. Just disclosures, going back up. Going back a little bit. Let's go back again. I think I was talking about the international thing here. And then I think at some point that's when I realized the audio goes out. Yep. Wow. So I might not have audio there, guys, and that would be a super bummer. So guess I'm gonna go ahead and finish this video and then check that out. So hopefully, actually, I'll be right back. So well, guys, I was actually in the middle of filming this video, and my neighbor had a heart attack. So there was all these sirens and all this crazy stuff going on. So I didn't really get to finish my video. So there's really no ending. So here's your ending. Like the video,
comment, subscribe, do all that stuff that I tell you to do. And we'll see you next time. Sorry about that. Later. Peace.